Hi, I'm James from Beckside Machinery. We're here to demonstrate today the FarmMaster WCP 100 wood chipper. This is PTO driven from the tractor. This will do up to almost 5 inches in diameter. It has an adjustable chute, so you can change the angle of it from where you want to shoot, and it also you can change the top, so you can change the pitch at which it fires. You can fire it straight across, you can fire it down, or you can angle it if you want to put it into a trailer like this. Nice and simple. We're going to demo it on a Coyote CK3530, which is a 35 horsepower tractor. This wood chipper needs 20 horsepower upwards to run it.